I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling ProRes in Settings and opening a ProRes Log-compatible app. I recommend 4K if you have space. Once done, set manual ISO and shutter to match ambient light, lock exposure and focus so frames don't shift, and pick a neutral white balance to preserve color latitude. Make sure you select the log gamma profile inside the app. This preserves highlight and shadow detail. Now arm recording and keep movements smooth. You want consistent exposure for grading later. Once rolling, monitor exposure actively. Keep near base ISO and a shutter speed in the 1/50 to 1/100 range if shooting 24-30 fps to retain natural motion. Make sure you check the histogram and zebras frequently to avoid clipping highlights or crushing blacks, and use a waveform to balance skin tones. If needed, add ND or tweak aperture to protect highlights without pushing ISO. You should record a short test clip. Review it full screen, then fine-tune exposure and white balance before committing to long takes. You finish by offloading ProRes log files to a fast SSD and making a second backup. This preserves your high bit depth masters. Once transferred, apply a viewing LUT to preview contrast, then perform final color grade in DaVinci Resolve or Premiere using exposure and lift/gamma/gain adjustments. If images appear too flat or noisy, make sure you actually recorded in the ProRes log profile and that your exposure references, histogram/waveform, were correct. If not, reshoot with adjusted exposure or lower ISO to reduce noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.